Students, welcome to our Genius online class. Today we are going to read class 1 in grammar books, junior grammar and composition. Open your grammar books. First chapter, letters, capital and small. How many alphabets letter in our English? The English alphabet has 26 letters. How many kinds of letter? There are two kinds of letter. Letter. First capital, second small. Now we read capital cursive letters. Cursive letter मतलब स्टाइलिश लेटर. दिस इज कर्सिव लेटर. ये कैपिटल कर्सिव लेटर. दिस इज स्मॉल कर्सिव लेटर. नाउ यू ओपन योर कर्सिव लेटर राइटिंग बुक्स. Open your cursive letter writing books. This is cursive letter writing books. This is stylish small cursive letter. Write here in your books A to Z. So this is small cursive letter. You follow it and practice it in your home. Okay. This is capital cursive letter. This is capital cursive letter. This is also you follow it and write it in your home. Okay. Now we read grammar books. How many vowels? There are 5 vowels. How many consonants? How many types of letter? 2 types of letter. One is vowel and another is consonant. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonant in English alphabets. Vowel, which is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. And which is consonant? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is consonant. This is vowel. This is consonant. Okay, remember this. Activity first. Number 1. A. Write the letters of English alphabet in capital. Write A, B, C, D, A to Z. Here I write. Here look at this. You also write in your books. Number B. Write the 5 vowels of English alphabets. Answer. I have written this. Okay. Number B. Write the 5 vowel of English alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. Write here. Number 2. Arrange the following letter in alphabetical order. ये इधर उधर लिखा हुआ है. Arrange this letter. Y, B, O, B, O, Y, D, M, I, M, I, D, L, F, U, F, U, L, food, T, C, N, E, C, E, N, T, sand, W, O, L, G, G, L, O, W, globe, Y, P, C, O, C, O, P, Y, copy, M, E, Y, T, P, E, M, P, T, Y, empty, I, N, E, B, G, B, E, G, I, N, begin, S, C, I, P, H, C, H, I, P, S, chips. Look at this. Write in your copy. Number 3. Complete the following puzzle from A to Z. This is puzzle. You write here A, B, C, D. Follow this arrow and write here ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Look at this and write in your books. Verify your understanding. Number 1 A. The number of letter in English alphabet is, how many letter in English alphabet? 26. Write here 26. Number B. The number of consonant in English alphabet is, how many consonant letter? 21 consonant letter. Write here 21. The number of vowel is, how many vowel? 5 vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Write here 5. The vowel in English are, which is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Write here. Number E. Which is the 10th letter in English alphabet? Letter J is the 10th letter in English alphabet. Number 2. Write the letters in capital letter. Write capital letter here. Okay. Write the letter in small letter. Write small letter in this box. Okay. Vowel and consonant. Learn the word beginning with vowel. Learn. Vowel A. A-P-P-L-E, apple. E-G-G, egg. Vowel E. I-N-K, P-O-T, I. Vowel. Start from vowel. Beginning. Beginning letter, vowel letter. I-N-K, P-O-T. Import. U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. U. Beginning, vowel letter. O-R-A-N-G, orange. Beginning letter. O. Vowel letter. Learn the word beginning with consonant. B-A-G, bat. B consonant. C-A-T, cat. C consonant. D-O-G, duck. D consonant. F-L-A-G, flag. F consonant. G-O-A-T, goat. G consonant. H-A-T, hat. Consonant. J-U-G, jug. J consonant. K-I-T, kite. K consonant. L-I-O-N, lion. L consonant. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Consonant. M consonant. ठीक है? Okay. You read this. Activity first. A. Pick out the vowels in the following words. C-A-T, cat. Vowel. Which is vowel? A. Write A. B-A-T, bat. Which is vowel? A. Write A vowel. M-A-T, mat. Which is vowel? A. Right here. G-A-T, get. E. Vowel. Right here. H-A-T, hat. A. E. Vowel. W-A-T-E-R, water. A. E. Vowel. P-N, pen. E. Vowel. R-A-N, ran. A. I. Vowel. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N, aeroplane. A. O. A. E. Vowel. Right here. B. Pick out the consonant in the following words. W-O-R-D word. W-R-D consonant. M-A-N, man. M-N consonant. C-U-T, cut. C-T consonant. T-I-L, tell. T-L consonant. P-I-L-L-O, pillow. P-L-L-W consonant. O-X, ox. X consonant. B-O-X, box. B-X consonant. G-A-T, get. G-T consonant. Right here in your books. Okay. Verify your understanding. Number 1. Pick out the vowels in the following words. W-E-L-L, well. Vowel. Which is vowel? E. B-A-T, bat. A vowel. C-A-L-L, call. A vowel. P-N, pen. E vowel. P-A-P-E-R, paper. A. E vowel. Number 2. Pick out the consonant in the following words. TABL table. T, B, L, consonant. BOX box. B, X, consonant. TIL tel. T, L, consonant. TIGR tiger. T, G, R, consonant. TRE tree. T, R, consonant. Number 3. Fill in the blanks with vowel. GG, dash, EGG, egg. WTR, WATER, water. BPLE, apple. AE, vowel. GATE, get. AE, vowel. MILK, I, vowel. इसी तरह अपने बुक्स में लिखना है vowel. ओके, follow this. Number 4. Fill in the blanks with double vowel. Double vowel. Number 1. FOOT, foot. GOOSE, ghost. TOOTH, tooth. CHOOSE, chooch. Practice this in your home and write in your books. Okay.